Hi, Assalamualaikum, and good day to all panels and viewers. I am Zulhajjaj, and this is my proposal for my final year project in Mechanical Engineering UITM Shah Alam. I would like to propose the application on augmented reality in engineering exhibition. So, without further ado, let's get started. Our nation is looking forward to develop advanced high technologies industry, and one of the pillars in industrial in industrial revolution 4.0 is augmented reality. Malaysia International Trade and Industry MITI launched Industrial Forward in 2018, a new national policy to drive digital transformation of manufacturing and related service sectors in Malaysia. Industry sectors are looking forward to access new technology to improve their production or employers' working quality. So this is my objective of my project. My objective is to design and develop augmented reality application in engineering exhibition, and also to design augmented reality application for engineering education. And this project also want to promote the pillars of industrial 4.0, the augmented reality application in engineering. Engineering exhibition is the event to expose new technology to industry and country. It brings the technology awareness to the people. Automotive, manufacturing, and education can be participated for engineering exhibition. And National Automotive Policy 2019, NAP 2019, organized by MARI, Malaysia Automotive Robotics and IoT Institute, is one of the example of engineering exhibition. Application of augmented reality engineering is still in developing stage. Big companies are investing to adopt augmented reality into industries development, production, or in the training department. Technology exposure is one of the ways to attract more companies to invest and expand their businesses. Furthermore, augmented reality application is seen to be useful for safety that is hugely important for training in machinery. Augmented reality can present the hazard in new unique way. By conducting exhibition, we can promote this technology to all sectors, especially in engineering industry. Thus, this project is the research on the ways to conduct an augmented reality in engineering exhibition. Okay, firstly, let me briefly explain about what is augmented reality. Augmented reality is the result of using technology to superimpose information such as image, video, sound, or even a 3D model on the world we see. Just imagine the scene of Tony Stark interact with his Iron Man suit inside his helmet. He can see all the information of his suit, location, and surrounding data through his helmet only. That is one of the example of augmented reality. So this awesome and futuristic technology is no more just for a movie. It will get real soon and applicable for everyone. There are a lot of ways to develop augmented reality in devices. Most commonly known augmented reality device, which is the most powerful AR headset, is Microsoft HoloLens 2. It can, when you put on the headset, you can feel like Tony Stark in his Iron Man suit when wearing these helmets. It not only show AR through the viewfinder, it also can know, recognize the gesture and the surrounding environment. Right now, almost all devices can be used for AR. However, Android and iOS that support ARKit and AR Core have more advantages since more AR engine can develop even more for the phone that have this feature. HTC Tracker, Metapod, and Leapmotion is part of the AR developing hardware. It can create even more AR application. Throughout this semester, I have done some of research to seek how and what is the needed to build AR application. According to a couple of journals over here, most of AR development are based on Unity and 3D engine with Vue Furia extension plugin. It is the best software to develop augmented reality because of its multi-platform capabilities. Therefore, I've been decided to build AR using this developing software. So these are the software involved according to research that I just explained just now. Unity and Visuria. Unity engine is a game developer that that built for computer, smartphone, and Microsoft HoloLens, and many more platforms. It is free for developers. And Vuforia is one of the best AR framework technology. It is the it is the product of PTC engine. However, we use Vuforia plugin that can connect with Unity engine. So next is Adobe Aero. Adobe Aero is one of the Adobe product and AR developing platform available. The platform build is limited to iOS and Microsoft HoloLens. It cannot be used to build application for Android. And last software that I use to develop AR is Unreal Engine. Unreal Engines, also a game developer. It can build AR for iOS and Android, but only with the device if they have support AR Kit and AR Core. One of the capabilities of UE that Unity cannot build is inverse augmented reality. I will show to you later what is inverse augmented reality. So we come to where how I spend my time during this year to build an AR application. So this is the video of how I built the application. So first I need to create a new scene and add some AR camera, and you need to get your AR camera license. Just add click on the add license and we'll jump to websites, the Visual developer websites, and need to copy the license and paste over there. Then import the image target, and you need to select the image target from the database, which is from the website developer. And here we go, we have our image target. So you can put whatever you want, whatever content that you want to be augmented whenever the phone track this image target. So for this example, I put the milling machine. So before I demonstrate, I would like to have some buttons. So if you can see in the canvas, there's a back button, but in order to uh, make that work, need to have the script. So these are the methods on how to create a working scene managing script, scene management script. So for let's say if you click on the back button, if you want to back to the main menu, and at the build settings, the main menu is scene number 3 or scene number 1, you just replace the number inside the bracket with the number scene, and then drag the script onto the canvas and drag the canvas onto the on click behavior, and there you go. And don't forget to add event system and lean touch. So here we go. This is the demonstration. So next is the method on how to build this app into application. So just click on the build setting on top of the menu, and you need to make sure that the name of your app is same with the name inside the package manager, and your application is ready to build. Just put on rename your name, whatever name that you want. For this, I put on example. So next I will show to you this demonstration inside the phone. this is the demonstration in desktop, and next video is the demonstration inside the real phone. So let's see the demonstration on the phone. So click on the apps so the apps can starts with the logo that I set. So you can set whatever logo that you want. So click on buttons that you wish to see to experience the AR, and this, whenever your camera point to the image target, the AR content will augment, which will overlay in your screen as you see in this video. So let's try another machine, lid. Actually, there's some bug, but in the new version, in the previous version, it works. But whenever I scroll on the screen, the content will enlarge, and whenever I push the content, the model will move. But in this demonstration, it has some glitches. And this is what I explained in my report about the AR map, AR exhibition map. So I just built it on purpose for example only. So this much about it. You can try on your own my application. Just scan the QR code on above, and you will download this app. But this app is only available until end of this month, because I will take it down for the purpose of development. But if you wish to access, you just contact with me. I will provide my email at the end of my presentation, and the QR code below is the image target. So just download the app and click on um, whatever button or whatever uh, model that you wish to see, and just point your camera towards this image target. So next is the video on how I demonstrate the physics interaction towards AR content. So let's watch. So as you can see, the digital content also can behave like our world. Inside the apps, inside the Unity, the model also can have gravity and also collision. So we see that this video again, whenever the sphere collide with the cube, the cube moves away. So next is the physics interaction towards AR content, but this time I use leap motion. Leap motion is a device that can capture your finger. So I place the leap motion below the table. So whenever I put my hand on top of the sensor, the leap motion will sense my hand, and it will create a mesh, and it will collide with the gong. So next is virtual interaction towards AR content. In this video, I put a virtual button on certain parts of the QR code. So whenever I cover parts of the QR code, the the camera will take that as an input, the button, virtual button. So let's see. So here we go. So whenever you cover the left button, the content will change to sphere. Whenever you cover the right button, the sphere change to a cube, and vice versa. So if you ask me how it works by a virtual button. If the part of the image has been covered, they will take as an input, and you can set what behavior that you want. It may be changing content, it may be playing a sound, or maybe uh, close the apps. So next is what I mentioned earlier, IAR, Inverse Augmented Reality. However, this IAR is in development. I unable to show how to process it because it takes a lot of time to run it, and a lot of software glitches happens. So what I can show to you is the successful one, and here we go. So earlier just now I just mentioned IAR. IAR stands for Inverse Augmented Reality. It is still in development. However, I cannot show to you how I build it because it takes a lot of time, and some of the problem like glitches happens all the time. So what I can show to you is the successful one. So let's see. For information, this is what we call a virtual studio. And the picture of me, if you have a green screen, you can key it out and you can see the only person left. And it looks like the person is in the game. That's what IAR stand for, Inverse Augmented Reality. The augmented reality means the content is augment in our world, but inverse AR, which means we, which is the physical world, we go inside the virtual world, which what's IAR stand for. So we come to end of my presentation. So I hope that you guys enjoy my presentation, and I provide my email below if you want to give some feedback on my project, or you want to ask about augmented reality. Please contact me through this email. Inshallah, I will reply as soon as possible. And then again, my name is Zulhajjaj bin Zarulis, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.